So we made a really powerful website for anyone who wants to learn how to use OpenClaw and actually make it work.
Yeah.
I mean, that was our biggest problem.
Mm.
OpenClaw, the setup process is really hard. And when you first get OpenClaw,
Mm.
I think the common problem is like the it's at an infant stage.
Yeah.
So none of it really works very well. And when you try something,
Mm-hmm.
a lot of people fail.
Mm-hmm.
So what we did with this website, this is boxmoneyai.com. We made it fun. We made it like Windows 95.
Yeah.
And if you click the OpenClaw, we get you the OpenClaw guide. If you click like on the Telegram icon on the back bottom over here, if it works, that doesn't work right now. Oh, there you go. You get the Discord setup and the Telegram setup.
Mm-hmm.
So if you actually want to connect it to any of these bots, it works.
Mm.
I think one of the key words, I think this is, in Chinese, they call it 养虾, to grow shrimp.
To grow trip.
Grow shrimp, because OpenClaw is a shrimp, right?
Right.
So they call this whole process growing a shrimp.
Okay.
All right. And why is because when you first get it, it's an infant shrimp. It doesn't do anything, right? Then you take it into at kid stage, then teenage stage, and then at the end you get the full adult stage. And what we want to do with this website is to really bring you to the adult stage as soon as possible. A lot of your videos on there, Ron.
Yeah, actually, I find this interface pretty useful too, because even after infant stage, there's actually quite some few maintenance work that you have to do for your OpenClaw. I actually just learned a lot this week about cache and search indexes. So we'll be updating this website as well with all of the findings that we've
and there's there's a lot of troubleshooting. So the whole way this is set up is geared towards OpenClaw. We made a Windows 95 theme, but anytime you click on an app, it just goes into troubleshooting and how to troubleshoot your OpenClaw. We also have full like a write up.
Yeah,
I always say like what you shouldn't do and what you should do, and you can really quickly browse a video.
Yep.
And then of course if you log into it, it actually keeps your watch progress and gives you points.
Yeah, I really like the summary, how it's structured too. It's very clear. It gives me the key takeaways, the step-by-steps, and the quick tips. Common mistakes to avoid as well.
Yeah.
Next steps too, if you want to take it a next step further.
Yeah, it's a neat, quick way to get it started. And how this project actually came about was when you guys were chatting with us on the comments. You're saying it's very hard to find your videos. We make a lot of videos, but it's not really structured. So what I thought was, let's make it a fun way to explore. These videos. We recently did this, so I spent the whole afternoon on this, like case studies. So you can take a look at which case study you want. So even making this website, I have a case study on how I made it, what was the thought process, and then even the food tracking app. I thought this was kind of useful. This video, I feel like this video didn't get the recognition it should, because food tracking is like one of my top things. I feel like right now I'm going for a keto diet. I want to make an app or an OpenClaw to really tune for that diet, so you can see my process and how that works. The last few things is like even the advanced stuff like cron jobs. It's here, and then the last one is the learning paths. We have a full bunch of videos for learning paths of how to begin and how to do everything. So this is helpful. Well, we hope it's helpful for you guys. This is actually made for you guys. It's obviously vibe coded, but I actually did spend quite a lot of time trying to put it together. There's also one key feature right now. So if you sign in, so we did magic sign in. I wanted to make this as ad free experience as possible. Okay, that was kind of key. I didn't want slop. I didn't want bad stuff in there. So right now, if you sign up, you're gonna get founder status immediately onto your account. So it's just an email. So like team boxminingai@gmail.com. You get the link, and there's just no it's a seamless sign up process. Sends you the email, you sign in, and then once you're signed in, you get the founder status right now with free lifetime. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have some more high-end courses, and if you sign up right now, you get those for free, so you lock your status in. So that's going to be exciting. And then we're going to do some courses. One thing I found was this: a lot of people, they want to learn OpenClaw, but it's just like they give up on the first week. And this is really just like you almost gave up on the first week.
I gave up, but
we persisted.
I mean, I recognize the potential in this. Even my girlfriend was asking me last night, because she was watching our videos, actually comparing our videos on Box Mining AI and the trading videos and the crypto videos we did. She actually learned a lot from Box Mining AI.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Yeah, so because a lot of people relate to our videos with their work,
Right,
and we want to better improve workflow of everyone, right? Because we know that AI is here. We can't get rid of it anymore. Like everyone's talking about AI, and at some point in the workforce, they will evaluate your skills based on how your knowledge of using AI tools.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. Let me show you. Let me see if it actually works inside. I'm actually curious if I got my email. So let me quickly confirm my sign up. Just click the email. And then yeah, it takes me. Oh, welcome to you get started. Great. And I think got a user panel. I want to make. Oh, this is not the best one yet. I'm gonna make it look really, really nice and professional for you guys. So this is still in development. I'm constantly updating this as we go. But we really want this to be this interactive course. It doesn't work very well on mobile right now. I think that's not the whole point. I thought it was just like a Windows 95 experience. I thought it was gonna be a fun, interesting one for you guys. Like you got a calculator, you get Minesweeper. You know, I don't know. Maybe I'm old. I get the nostalgia of that. But also you got really hardcore, like you got real videos about what to do. So yeah, with that, guys, come check it out if you guys want. Give us some feedback. Leave it on this video as well. If it doesn't work for you, I would love to know too, because I can just fix that and just make this really for our community, for anyone who wants to get involved with OpenClaw. This is it. Okay, with that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys later. Peace.